Om Sri Sai Ram, my humble salutations to my beloved Bhagwan, respected elders and my dear students. The topic of revision is planes. What is meant by a plane? A surface is called a plane surface or a plane if all points of the straight line joining the 2 points on the surface lie on it. What is the general equation of a plane? A first degree general equation in XYZ represents a plane. Let the first degree equation in XYZ be ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. Let a x1 y1 z1 and b x2 y2 z2 be any 2 points in the surface. Then we have ax1 plus b y1 plus c z1 equal to plus d equal to 0. Similarly, ax2 plus by2 plus c z2 plus d equal to 0. Let C alpha beta gamma be a point on the line AB. Let C divides the line AB in L is to M ratio. Then the coordinates of C are given by alpha equal to Lx2 plus Mx1 divided by L plus M, and beta is equal to Ly2 plus My1 divided by L plus M, and gamma equal to Lz2 plus Mz2 divided by L plus M. Now suppose consider A alpha plus B beta plus C gamma plus D, and replacing alpha beta gamma by the above expressions, we have A times Lx2 plus Mx1 divided by L plus M plus B times L by 2 plus M by 1 divided by L plus M, and C times Lz2 plus Mz1 divided by L plus M plus D. Now on further simplification, if we take L plus M 1 by L plus M common, then we can easily verify by taking L and M as common. Then the coefficient of L becomes ax2 plus by2 plus cz2 plus d, and similarly the coefficient of M becomes ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d. Then automatically L into 0 plus M into 0, finally the whole expression becomes 0. That means the coordinates of the point C are satisfying the above equation. Hence C lies on the line join, C lies in the plane. Thus every point on the line AB lies on the plane. Hence ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 represents the equation of the plane. Now we are having that suppose the plane is passing through x1 y1 z1, then its equation is given by a times x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1 plus c times z minus z1 equal to 0. Then the perpendicular distance of the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 from the origin is given by modulus of d by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Similarly, equation of the plane in the normal form is given by lx plus my plus nz equal to p, where lmn are the DCs of the normal to the plane and p is the perpendicular distance from the origin to the plane. Now equation to the plane in the intercept form is given by x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1, where a, b, c are the intersects on x, y, z axis respectively. Suppose theta is the angle between the two planes a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0. Another plane a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 equal to 0. Then cos theta is given by the formula a1a2 plus b1b2 plus c1c2 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. Now the above planes are perpendicular if this condition follows, that is a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 equal to 0. Similarly, the above planes are going to be parallel if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2. Now equation of the plane passing through the points x1 y1 z1 x2 y2 z2 x3 y3 z3 is given by the determinant equal to 0, where the first line becomes x minus x1 y minus y1 z minus z1. The second row becomes that is x2 minus x1 y2 minus y1 z2 minus z1, and the third row becomes x3 minus x1 y3 minus y1 z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Next, the general equation of the plane is ax plus by plus cj plus d equal to 0, where ABC represents the direction ratios of the normal to the plane. Now equation of the plane parallel to ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0 will be of the form ax plus by plus cz plus k equal to 0, where k is a parameter. Now if we take it, consider a parallelepiped, let us say that P is the general point in the space xyz, and A is a point on the x-axis and B is a point on the y-axis and C is a point on the z-axis. And further we are having points Q, R, S, and so Q is a point in the xy plane, R is a point on the yz plane, and S is a point on the z plane. Then we can easily see that the coordinates of A will be x comma 0 comma 0, and B will be 0 comma y comma 0, and C will be 0 0 C. 0 0 Z. So we can similarly we see that the equation of the x-axis is y is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Similarly, equation of the y-axis will be x is equal to 0, z is equal to 0. Equation to the z-axis will be x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. Next further, equation to the xy plane is given by z is equal to 0. Equation to the yz plane is given by x is equal to 0. Equation to the plane y is yz or zy plane is given by x is equal to 0. Now let us do some problems. Find the equation of the plane through the points 1, 2, 3 and parallel to the plane x minus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Now what is given here? We have to find, what is that we have to find? We have to find the equation of the plane. How is the plane? The plane is passing through the point 1, 2, 3. And further, any plane passing through 1, 2, 3 is given by a into x minus 1 plus b into y minus 2 plus c into z minus 3 equal to 0. And further, to find out ABC, another condition is given. How is that? The plane is parallel to x minus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. That means the required plane as well as the given places is they are parallel, automatically the corresponding coefficients are the same. That means A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 1, C is equal to 1. Using this in this equation, we can easily see that x minus y plus z minus 2 equal to 0. Next, find the plane, determine the points minus 1, 2, minus 2, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 1, 2. Verify whether this plane passes through the point minus 1, 1, 0. Let A is equal to minus 1, 2, minus 2 and B is equal to 0, 1, 1 and C equal to 1, 1, 2. Now everybody knows that the equation of the plane passing through three given points is given by the determinant equal to 0, wherein the first row will be x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Second row will be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1. And third row will be of the form x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. Using these points and then finding the determinant, we can find that. And another second part is given wherein you have to verify whether the fourth point is also there or not. So substitute that point in the above equation, then automatically you can see that it is becoming 0. Therefore, the fourth point also lies on the given plane. Hence, all the 4 points are coplanar. Next, third problem. Find the equation of the plane passing through 1, 2, 3 and whose normal has the drs 0, 1, 1. So already we know that the equation of the plane passing through x1, y1, z1 and whose normal has the dr. So a, b, c is given by a times x minus x1 plus b times y minus y1 plus c times z minus z1 equal to 0. So here a becomes 0, b is equal to 1 and c equal to 1. And further x1, y1, z1 are 1, 2, 3. Therefore, the required equation will be 1 into